Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel. First, you'll have to open your YouTube, and after that, you'll have to click on your profile picture on the top right corner. Then you will find this option. You will have to click on sign in. Then once you sign in, here you have this section. You just have to click on this plus sign if you don't have any accounts yet. Once you click on the plus sign, now you will have to sign in using your Google account in order to create your own YouTube channel. If you have one, you just have to simply sign in. If you do not have one, just click on create account. Once you click on create account, it will show you these two options. Just choose for myself. Then you'll have to enter your first and last name, date of birth, gender, and after that you'll have to choose for yourself a specific Gmail, or you can simply create your own Gmail yourself. After that, you'll have to enter a password for your Gmail. Then they'll ask you if you want to review your email data. Just click on next. Then it will show you here this page. Just click on I agree and agree to the terms and conditions. And after that, you will be able to enter your account in YouTube. So here, as you can see, I am signed in. Just tap on your profile picture on the top right corner, and here you have your account signed in. You just have now to click on your channel. After that, click on create channel, but you will just have to first set a picture, a logo for example, and here down below in the name you will have to choose the name of the channel. So click on this pencil icon and change the name of the channel if you want. Once you click on create channel, you'll just have to give it a couple of minutes in order to make your own channel. And after that, you should go back to your profile picture, tap on it, then go to your channel. Then this page will pop out in front of you, and now you have to click on create if you want to create a video, and you can also click on this pencil icon if you want to do any edits. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.